Back to my channel again. Today in this video I'm here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the Atos Intel company, and I really apologize because I was not able to post the any videos since 1 month because I was busy in the one business project that was very huge project, and finally we have completed that project, and I got some time to create one video. So, and I also apologize for because I'm making this video in my mobile. So let us get started with this video. So there is new recruitment from the Atos Intel company for 2021 batch as well as 2022 batch. Okay, so once you click on this link, then you will get let me refresh this page. You will get this page. So you go into the description box as well to get this link. You will get this disclaimer pop-up, that is what it says, that you need to provide the true information only, because it will be validate once you get selected in the company. So click on the next. So again you will redirect it to the next page, which is candidate registration form. They have mentioned eligibility criteria as well as read the instructions below carefully. So here they have mentioned the eligibility criteria, as you can see here. So let me click here. So it will open one PDF form. So it's taking some time to load, but yeah, let me refresh this page again. So let me refresh this one. Okay, so cool. It's open now. So you can check Atos Intel. They are hiring for the 2021 batch full-time graduates only from recognized universities. Courses and streams are allowed, which are BTech, in that computer science, information technology, electronics and telecommunication candidates are also eligible to apply, and BSc in CS, IT, PCM statistics, then bachelor's in computer science, that is BCS, MCA in computer application. Aggregate required minimum 60 percentage in 10th, 12th, graduation and post graduation, all semesters. Okay, you should have minimum 60 percentage in all semesters. In 10th and 12th also you should have minimum 60 percentage. Backlog, no current backlogs. Education break, maximum 1 year break in education is allowed from 10th, that is SSC, to highest qualification. This will be drive like this drive will be online only, no need to go anywhere. Prerequisites: good written and verbal English skills, flexible to work in any shift like morning, afternoon, night shift, 24 by 7. Job location will be Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, then Tirunelveli, that is the office which are located uh, in these locations. So they will post you any of these locations or as per the business requirement. Okay, so let me go back again. So these are the instructions they have provided. So how you can do the registration. Okay, so these are very simple, no need to worry about it. Then registration link is open only for those students who fulfill Atos Intel eligibility criteria. So what you need to do to fill this registration form, click this checkbox and click on accept button on the right side. Okay, so here you need to give all these details. These are the registration details: Aadhaar number, PAN details, prefix, first name, middle name, last name. You need to fill all these details, and your marital status, then mother tongue, then your current address, city, state, region, pin code. Okay, then preferred interview location. Let me choose here. So y- all these preferred interview locations are given. So suppose if I select Coimbatore, Then how did you know about this opportunity? Let me select here. You can select anything. You can select other as well. Then pin code, nationality, and once you fill all these details are compulsory to fill. Please fill all the correct details only, because later it will get verified. So please validate your mail ID here, and once you enter your mail ID here, then click on verify email button to get, you will get one OTP on your mail. Okay, because further communication will be done via mail only. So give your mobile number correct. Okay, then date of birth as well. So please give all the correct details, and once you fill all these details, click on next button, and again it will ask some details. Then you need to put those details and you need to submit the form. So you, in this way you can apply for the Atos Sintel off campus drive. So this link is only for 2021 batch. I will provide the link. The same procedure is applicable for 2022 batch. So I'll provide the link for both batches 2021 and 2022 in the description box. So please click on that link and follow this same procedure for 2022 batch as well. And if you have any questions, then please comment below. I'll try to give the answer. And thanks for watching this video.